Hello, everyone. This is Jim Okerzinski with your week 5. Oh my gosh, we're in week 5 already for our 8-week summer course. So, in this week's screencast video, I will discuss the annotated bibliography, which is due on Tuesday, end of day. Also, demonstrate a little bit about Google Drive. I know I've been kind of harping on this, but I think it's critical moving forward because not only will allow me to give the feedback I need to give on assignments, I should say, but we're going to be moving into the drafting process soon. So, first drafts, peer reports, peer reviews, all important components of the course. So I want to demonstrate that in a minute. Talk a little bit about discussion board 8, the double entry journal. And also, just want to let everybody know that discussion boards 1 and 2 are closing on today, Sunday, July 10th, end of day. Discussion boards 3 and 4 will be closing on Sunday, the 17th, end of day. So I want to make sure that everybody is aware of the close dates. As we move into the back half of the course, I will be closing off more discussion boards and assignments. As I stated in the syllabus, I do reserve the right to close assignments. So that will be happening on the 17th for discussion boards 3 and 4. So for the annotated, I've done very little movement here in the course units. I suggest everybody reacquaint themselves with the annotated bibliography, view some of the videos, especially on what is an annotation and the actual annotated bibliography itself. You might want to take a look at the sample. Also, read the instructions closely before submitting your annotated bibliography. So I've left this particular course unit toward the top of the section here. Week 3, we're going to continue I should say chapter 3, sorry about that, chapter 3, we're going to continue with our work on working with sources in discussion board number 8. Now, discussion board number 8 is where you will build a double entry journal. All right, you create your thread. Let me go back here. All right, you create your thread. I say here, working with 2 sources from your annotated bibliography. So it's already 2 sources that you've already actually have some familiarity with. All right. You're going to build a double entry journal as described on pages 97 to 103 in the textbook. All right. You can use a template to create 2 columns. It's pretty straightforward. You need a minimum of 2 sources. Also, you need 3 excerpts. Right. Select 2 sources, 3 excerpts from each source where you either quote, paraphrase, and summary, and then add your thinking. I have, let's see, let me get to our course folder. I'll come back to the EAB in a minute. Discussion board exercises. If we look at discussion board 8, I have the double entry template here. You can use this and then copy and paste it into the discussion board text box there. They usually copy and paste pretty well. You might have to do a little formatting on that. If you post the link, please make sure it is in the discussion board 8 folder so everybody can read your work and comment on that. So you can do that. 2 sources, 3 excerpts on that. Let me get back to the course unit here. All right. And there we have the double entry journal, which is discussion board number 8. So the idea here is that is due on Friday since the EAB is due on Tuesday. Let me get back to my schedule with responses on Sunday. All right. So once again, discussion board number 8, the double entry journal, and discussion boards 3 and 4 are closing on the 17th. Now, I do have a submission for the annotated bibliography, so I'm going to just briefly show how this works. I look at my grading queue and I have an annotation upload here. So if I click on my queue, I have a submission already. Okay, click on the link and it will take me to this version of the annotated bibliography. All right. So the idea here is I take the link and I go to the annotated bibliography. So I have Gibran's annotated. You might want to give me access to it. Okay, because I do need to comment on your annotated bibliography, but this is how it works. All right, I do have, let's see, let's get out of here. Let me get to the course folder. In the course folder, I've got it right here, so I can either comment in here, should be access here. Since it's in the shared folder, yes, I can do that here. Okay, the link was uploaded before it was in the folder, but nonetheless, it is all ready to go and grade when I start grading the annotated bibliographies. It is a hefty assignment, so it's going to take me it's going to take me a bit of a while to grade those particular annotated. So I should have them done by the end of the week. All right. So we should be all set for the activities of week 5. If you have any questions, please send me an email.